Wondering how to teach rhyming words to your child? Let's do it together in different stages. The first step starts with them listening to rhyming words in the form of nursery rhymes and rhyming books. So read aloud to your child. In the next step, the child understands what are rhyming words. Rhyming words are words which are ending in the same sounds. Then the child learns to identify if words are rhyming or not. That is, are they ending in the same sound or are they not ending in the same sound? Then they have fun making nonsense rhyming words. The words don't necessarily have to make sense, like dop, gop, rop, sop, bop, wop. Saying it faster makes it more fun. Hut, but, nut, rut, lut, what, sut, dut, fut. Now the child is ready to make meaningful rhyming words by changing the first letter. Jet, remove j and put p. Pet, remove p and put w. Wet, remove w and put g. Get, remove g and put s. Set, remove s and put met. Jet, pet, get, wet, set, met. These are meaningful rhyming words. Let's see some fun activities. I have written random 3-letter words on pieces of paper. Ask the child to sort out words which rhyme with each other. App. Map rhymes with tap. Tap, map. Win rhymes with bin. Bin, win. App rhymes with tap and map. Ten rhymes with hen. Hen, ten. Cub rhymes with hub. Hub, cub. I have used magnetic letters here. And sun. We're going to replace the first letter with another consonant. Let's try run. Let's remove that and replace it with fun. We can then remove the F and replace it with bun. Again, remove the B and replace it with gun. So all these are rhyming words. Bun, gun, fun, run, sun. All we have to do is replace the first letter with any other consonant.